Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Matilda. I was scrolling through YouTube one day and I saw a video saying no more baking. So I clicked on the video. The video was by Jordan Liberty and I saw that he was saying that you don't need to bake with this technique where you do your moisturizer first, then powder, then setting spray, then primer. And I was like, what the hell? And I saw it all over Twitter and TikTok that it actually works and it makes your makeup look flawless. And I was like, okay, I need to try this for a video for you guys to see if it is worth the hype, because everybody is doing it right now. But we also have to give props to my favorite auntie Jackie Aina. She was the one that actually popularized this whole powder before foundation routine, which makes your makeup last. So I think that one also works, but she knows that I'm not a primer person. I don't use primer. I don't believe in it because I haven't seen anyone that actually works for me. So I'm just going to be trying this out today to see what the tea is. Is it what the hype? Is it pop or flop or hit or miss? You know what I'm trying to say. So are we going to be able to eliminate baking from our routine? Because we can't deny that baking actually makes your makeup look flawless, even though it's not advisable to do it every day, because you know, for those days you want to look snatched, you know, you gotta bake that face. So let's try it out to see what the tea is, and I'm gonna test it out for you guys. Woo! If you guys want to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then check it out on my TikTok or my Instagram, all Mathildaduku. Let's get into this video. The first step they asked us to do is moisturize your face. Now bear it in mind that my face is actually bare face, like there's nothing on my skin right now. So I'm going to go into my moisturizer and I'm just going to pump like I would normally do all over my skin. This is like a pea-sized amount and I'm just going to apply that all over my skin. Ooh. I just moisturized my face, as you can see, and I'm glowing. Next step is to powder up the moisturizer. So I have my powder here on top. This is a translucent powder. So I'm gonna pat I'm just gonna, you know, apply the powder on my skin. Let's hope this works. So I'm applying the powder and I'm seeing that actually making my skin matte, which powder is supposed to do. This is not even the problem. It's applying setting spray after this. This is where I feel like it's gonna look a little bit wonky, but so far so good. My skin actually looks okay. You can work with that, right? What do you guys think in the comments? Do you guys think this would actually work? Let me know in the comments, because I just hope this doesn't ruin my face, because you know this eye look is looking bomb and you can't have bad skin work. Next step is setting spray, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a step that I'm kind of a bit skeptical and scared about, because we're actually putting liquid on top of powder. I don't know how that is going to work out, so y'all should pray for me. I hope it works. So I'm just gonna use my setting spray and our face is dry after applying the setting spray. The next step is supposed to add primer. It's kind of getting tricky as we go, so I'm going to be adding my primer on my face. Oh my god, how is that going to work? I think I'm going to dab the primer on my skin because there's already powder on it. Oh my god. So I'm adding the tiniest bit, because who knows what's gonna happen next. Is it gonna ball up and start acting weird? Just tapping it on. So far so good. My skin is looking okay, so I think nothing crazy is happening right now. So I'm going to go into my foundation and see what the tea is. I'm going into my Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm going to be using a brush to apply it all over. So I'm just going to be dabbing it on my skin. I don't want to swipe because of the powder I applied. I don't know how crazy it's going to look if I start smudging it in, and it's just going to mix up and it's just going to look really crazy. just tapping, and let's see how it goes. This is how the foundation is looking on my face. It actually looks kind of matte, but I don't know if it's because of the technique I did or because the foundation is normally matte. The question is it gonna last? Is it gonna crease? Those are what we want to know for this technique. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Lagirl Pro concealer on my face. I'm just gonna do the rest of my face off camera, so we can get the final verdict to see if this technique is going to be the next wave. And if you guys want to see my foundation routine, it's all over my channel. I'm going to leave a card here so you can check it out if you want a really detailed video on my foundation routine. But if you guys want an updated video, let me know and I'm gonna do it for you guys. I went on to complete my face. As you can see, I'm looking snatched and looking bomb. Well, looking at this face, I noticed that the technique might have made my face look a little bit matter than it would normally be. What do you guys think? Look at my face. It kind of looks more matte and it looks good. Question is, would it last long? So I'm gonna come back and show you guys how the face is looking to see if it actually held up nicely. But so far so good. My face looks good, looks flawless. I don't know if it's the technique or my normal foundation concealer routine that made it look like this, but so far it looks really good. Yeah, and looks matte. I feel like the technique made it look matte, so you might not really need to bake when it comes to this technique. To be honest, I don't think this technique is really compulsory for you to do. It's like a very long step: primer, concealer, blah blah blah. So I don't think this technique is something you should be doing every day. It's just so many steps, this, that, blah, blah, blah. I don't know if it actually works. So maybe you can try it if you want to go for an occasion that you want the makeup to look matte and last longer. Then maybe it might be suitable for you. But for an everyday something, like, is that really good for your skin though? I hope you guys are taking care of your skin. The technique did not actually ruin my makeup, which is a plus. I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it's looking to know if it actually held up nicely. I would also like to know what you guys think about this look. Did it look different? Did my face routine look different? Did it look good? Let me know in the comments what you guys think about. I just came back and let me tell you, this technique actually works. Like, look at my face. It is matte. By this time I would have had oils around here, also around here. This is highlighter, by the way. Like, I would have been oily by this time, but I am matte, and I think it is this technique. So this technique is perfect for those with oily skin, and also if you have an occasion to go to, you should definitely try this out to make sure your face is matte throughout, because wow, this has been about 3 to 5 hours since I did my makeup, and my makeup is still intact, which is really good. So you guys should definitely try this technique out, but I wouldn't suggest it for an everyday basis because it just but it works. So yeah, that concludes the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok on Mathildaduku. If you guys want to see how I created this eyeshadow look and the rest of the face, you're gonna see it on Instagram and on TikTok, Mathildaduku. And if you guys want to see other videos of me, more makeup tips and tricks and challenges, everything you need, check out my other videos on my channel to watch. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video.